So here we are in two-bedroom apartment plus a living room. So first of all, we are in a big corridor. Now we are entering the living room area, and from here there is access to the first room and to the second room. Apartment is just being finished. It was reconstructed. So first room looks like this. Afterwards, through the living room, we are going to get to the second bedroom. Here are some carpets on the floor. They are going to be either taken away or left here, up to you. Now from the corridor we are getting into the bathroom. The bathroom is really big. It's reconstructed. Afterwards, here is a toilet. Yeah, and next to the toilet here is a storing room. There are still some things left, but it's going to be gone. And the last place is a kitchen, and in the kitchen there is kitchen unit. Over there is a cooker, and here next to the kitchen here is a small room which can be as a study room or a room for guests and so on. From the kitchen you can get an access to the balcony. Balcony is into the inner part of the apartment, and it's quite big. Inner part of the house, sorry. Yeah. And that's all from our tour today. And that's it.